the issue is regarding the great forgeries that we see these days. Goa is a place where your land documents were forged and sale deeds were done. So if there is a world-class forgery, which I am a foreign national, I come up with a world-class forgery and puts it before the ERO. Is there a mechanism to say that, okay, this guy is, certainly I'm not there in 2002, but I'm coming up with these documents which to prove my credentials. How to take care of
See,
these kind of
I think
criminals?
for anybody who wants to defraud the system, one is that mapping cannot be done because mapping is in the system. So
Yeah.
you cannot do any forgery with the system because ECI is the custodian of the electoral roll. So that way, yes.
So, for
In case,
example, I come up with a birth certificate that is
I am
forged.
coming
Yeah.
back to that. In case mapping is not possible, and we ask for any of those 13 documents,
Yeah.
and if those documents are somehow created by forgery, in that case, again, see, one is that ERO is doing a summary hearing, so they have to establish whether the person seems to be right
Yeah,
or not.
from
One is
yeah.
that. Secondly, even if he has obtained it, ultimately, because he has given a declaration that everything is there, in case subsequently on some complaint or
Yeah.
somewhere it is found, then he will be he will be liable for criminal action.